So as I said, when we ran the Terraform commands, it created the file and it stored it locally within my system, right? So that's not a best practice. The best practice is to use a remote backend. Remote backend means at a storage location which is remotely accessed from the Terraform as a local file. And what are these remote backends? So it could be either S3 bucket. If you are using Azure, it could be Azure Blob Storage. If you are using GCP, it could be GCP storage account. The another is do not update or delete this file. You should not be making any changes manually to this file, else it will corrupt it and it will make a lot of mess. State locking is another feature. So to make sure that, because there is one central file located at the remote repository, so multiple users can try to provision or make changes to the infrastructure at the same time, and it will leave the infrastructure in the inconsistent state. Avoid that from happening, you have to enable the state locking. And then isolation of state file is one of the best practice. Like for different environment, you can create separate state files to keep them separate from each other. Now you have to also make sure that you regularly back up this file, because if there is an accidental deletion, accidental corruption, your infrastructure state will be lost.